If you're noticing some of your pages are slipping in the rankings, you're not alone. Many website owners face this, but here's the good news. Identifying pages with declining rankings and fixing them is easier than you think. Stick around till the end to learn exactly how to do it. To get started, you'll want to track the performance of your pages. Use a tool like Google Search Console or any SEO platform you're comfortable with, and start by identifying pages that have lost traffic. The key metric to look for is a drop in impressions and clicks over time. You can compare the data from the past few weeks or months to pinpoint which pages are underperforming. Once you have identified the pages, it's time to dive deeper into why they're declining. First, check if there's been a change in search volume for your target keywords. Sometimes the competition increases, or people just stop searching for those terms. You can quickly see if your keywords are losing popularity using tools like Google Trends or a keyword research tool. Another factor could be on-page issues. Head over to your page's content. Is it outdated or lacking depth compared to newer content on the same topic? Google's algorithm loves fresh, relevant content. So if your page is outdated, updating it with new information could make a big difference. Don't forget to check for technical SEO issues. Are there any broken links or slow load times? Google doesn't like pages that are slow to load or have errors. You can use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to find broken links and fix them. Also, check for any crawling issues in Google Search Console that might be preventing your page from being indexed correctly. Now let's talk about backlinks. If your page has lost its backlinks, that could be a major reason for a ranking drop. Use a backlink checker to see if you've lost any valuable links. If you have, consider reaching out to the websites that linked to your page and ask them to update the link. You can also work on building new backlinks by reaching out to related websites or writing guest posts. Another issue might be user experience. Is your page mobile friendly? Does it have a clear structure and call to action? Google puts a lot of weight on user experience. If your page is hard to navigate or not optimized for mobile, you might see your rankings drop. Make sure your page is easy to use and accessible on all devices. If you're looking for a more in-depth analysis and want to fix these issues quickly, I've tried some of the most popular software tools out there. For viewers of this channel, I'm offering an exclusive free trial to the one I recommend. Check it out in the description below if you want to follow along with the steps I just mentioned. In summary, identifying pages with declining rankings and fixing them involves tracking your performance in tools like Google Search Console, analyzing keyword changes, refreshing outdated content, fixing technical SEO issues, repairing broken links, and improving user experience. And don't forget, fixing these issues will likely help you recover your rankings and keep your pages performing well. Key takeaway. The best way to keep your pages ranking high is to regularly check their performance, update content, fix technical issues, and ensure you're delivering a great user experience. And remember, if you want to follow these steps with the best tool, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.